94% of America's waterways are contaminated. It's contaminated with toxins that are unseen by the eye.
PCBs have been around since 1929. It was a really good compound to use as a dielectric material. It had a really good thermal properties, so it was put in transformers, paints, old TVs used to have them.
Once these contaminants get into the waterways, they stay there for a very long time. They don't degrade in the natural environment, so they find their way into the sediment layer and in waterways. PCBs cause a slew of diseases: acne, asthma, respiratory issues, high blood pressure. They cause cancer. We started realizing there's just been a lot of communities all across the US as well as the world ravaged. People generationally getting cancer, getting these diseases, and the community members not knowing why. So at what point are we going to say that this is not right?
ecoSPEARS is a cleantech solutions company focused on green and cost-effective technology to extract and destroy contaminations like PCBs, like dioxins, DDT. We're looking to clean up the world, one waterway at a time. Our solution is a very comprehensive approach to it. We're innovators, we're scientists, we're engineers, and we are rolling to market a new technology, not just extracting these PCBs from the environment, but also being able to destroy them right on site.
Our solution started in NASA. The SPEARS technology was simply a plastic spike that was placed into the ground and absorbs these contaminants like a sponge. But that's the starting solution. We really see ourselves as more of a clean tech solution company.
What we have done is actually develop 3 other technologies in-house. A solvent rinse to extract the PCB from soil, a solvent exchange and extraction system. That's a liquid-based filtration system where we're extracting the PCBs from groundwater. And that could eventually be utilized to treat leachate from landfills that are contaminated with PCB. And then lastly, of course, the chemical dehalogenation process to destroy the PCBs in our solvent.
Having the exclusive license from NASA, it's pressure on our shoulders, but at the same time, we welcome it. Can you use science and engineering and manifest a solution that can solve a really big problem that's affecting people worldwide? That's this whole game. It's about helping those communities that just can't help themselves. We believe that a small group of people can really change the world if they're aligned.
It truly comes down to impact. Every single person on our team wants to create impact. Even our investment partners, they're impact investors. They want to focus on ventures that can truly make a difference.
At the end of the day, we want to make all these clients the heroes of the community. Because by them choosing ecoSPEARS and choosing just a greener method, a better method, they're doing better by their community. It's important for us to try to deal with this legacy contamination issue because it won't go away.
We should not just be containing this for our future kids and grandkids. We should be destroying them. That's our responsibility.